Welcome back, guys, to another tutorial, and today we're gonna cover how to do your crypto.com taxes, your crypto taxes really fast, easy peasy, and step by step. I'm gonna show you everything you need, from exporting your CSV files, from creating the API keys, whatever you need for your portfolio tracker, and then we're gonna integrate that into CoinTracking to do our crypto tax report over there. So let's start with the app. The app, you have the crypto.com app. There are two distinct things to exchange in the app. Or two distinct exports you will need if you made transactions there. With the app, we are in the phone right now. And all you have to do to get the crypto.com CSV is simply go into your accounts. Then you will go on the top right. There's an icon with a watch and a dollar sign. And then you see your transaction history. And then on the top right, you see again the share button. And if you click that, then you will see the transactions option. If you click on that, you will see the crypto wallet, the fiat wallet, the crypto.com card. You have three different exports. Whatever you use, you will need to export that. For us, it will be crypto wallet. Then the start date, we can export a range of maximum 3 years. I know we only did some trades in this year, so we start in January and then select to today, December 3rd, and then we simply click export to CSV. Now our export or the CSV is created, and we can click download to download the CSV file, and then you will have the option to share the CSV file to your computer, and from there on you can import that into your portfolio tracker. If we go then to our computer, we are on the CoinTracking side, and all you have to do is go to imports, quick access, and search for crypto.com. Here, then you have to click on CSV app import, and from here on you choose the file from your download folder. Once it's loaded up, then you click continue to import, and then you will see your crypto.com app transactions. You will start the import, and once the import is done, you will see in big green crypto.com import is done, and you have all your transactions in your account. To export your crypto.com exchange CSV, you can follow exactly the steps I'll show you in this video, but also they're stated on CoinTracking. There's a written guide how to do it. It's very easy. Go to CoinTracking, then to import, quick access, and then look for crypto.com. Click on that, and then you will see CSV exchange import. Here you will see exactly step by step what you need to do, but I'm gonna show you in the exchange as well. So you go to your crypto.com exchange account, you need to be logged in, and then you will click on wallet. Once you click on wallet, then you will go to orders, go to the far right on transactions, and then you will see that you will be able here to download all your transactions. Right now we have a limitation of maximum of 180 days, so make sure to select the correct dates. We are going to do it from November until today, and then we simply export all the transactions. Once the export is completed, and then you can click download, and you will see your exported history in your download file, and then you go back to CoinTracking and import those files. Once the file loaded up, then you click continue to import, and you will see all your crypto.com exchange transactions in your account. You simply click start import. On the right side, you will see crypto.com exchange import has been done successfully by a big green button, and then you have all your transactions of crypto.com exchange in CoinTracking account and can proceed. To create the API for the crypto.com exchange is very easy. There are a few steps you need to consider, and I'm going to show you step by step how it works, but also you can go into CoinTracking and read a guide on step by step how this works. All you have to do is go to imports, quick access, and then crypto.com, search that in the import list, and then under API exchange import, you will see a written guide step by step what to do, and if there are any limitations to the API, you will see everything here. But let's do it from scratch. We go to crypto.com, to the exchange, log in, and then you have to go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, on the far right side, you will see API keys. We don't have an API key right now besides our testing one. We're going to create a new API key, so click on create new API key. Let's label it CoinTracking 2, so we know exactly why we created this API. Now we have to do the two-factor verification. Once you have entered correctly your two-factor verification code, then you will see all the settings for your API key. Now we can take the API key, copy that, and insert that into CoinTracking, and then take the secret and as well put that into CoinTracking. Important to see is that only can read is enabled. You don't need anything else for importing transactions, and then you simply hit save. We can enter again the two-factor verification code if you made any changes to the API key. If not, then you should be all set. And now we can go to CoinTracking again and save this Crypto.com exchange job. This will need 1 to 2 seconds to make the connection to the API, and we will see a big green job saved. And if we scroll down a little bit, then we will see the Crypto.com exchange job is currently in progress, loading and pulling the data from Crypto.com exchange into CoinTracking. This will take up to 30 minutes until all the transactions arrive in your account, and then from there you can move on. Once all the transactions are in your account, and please make sure that all the exchange transactions and all the different wallets you used in the past are in your account, and that you validated your account for all the errors and fixed all the errors with the help of our reports, and only then you can move on to the tax report. Otherwise you will have errors in the tax report. So go to the tax report, click tax report, and on this page you will have to select your country. If you select your country, then you will have pre-selected all our recommended settings, and you don't have to do anything in here unless you want to customize your report. But again, we have pre-selected the recommended settings for you. In our case, it is Germany, and we simply scroll down and click Generate a new tax report now. Within seconds, as you see, we have our tax report, and you will see your first numbers here. And then if you click Load Report, you will see a more detailed calculation of all the numbers. You can scroll down and see everything in very detail, but we will not do that now. We just simply click Download Tax Report. For here, we see some more options for the export. Also, you have the option to export as PDF or Excel, and then you have your tax report generated. If you have any open questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.